Hey, so on the channel, I play a lot of Monster Hunter games, some of which are Monster Hunter Freedom Unite and Monster Hunter Try. But problem is though, is you can't readily play those on a computer at any point in time. But I have a few easy steps you can go ahead and follow to allow you to do that. Starting off with, go and head over to this website here called PPSSPP.org. And what it allows you to do is to download a type of software that can act as a PlayStation Portable on your computer and mobile device. By clicking the download button, that brings us to the download section. Now, you can go ahead and get this for Windows, iOS, Android, Mac OS, Linux, and even VR. Today, so far, though, we're only going to worry about the Windows installer. So I'm going to go ahead and click PPSSPP installer, and that's just going to go ahead and start the download. Once that's finished, we can go ahead and work our way through the installation executable and get that all set up. Once it's all done, you located where that file's at, go ahead and put a shortcut on your screen and open it up. Once you get it opened up, this should be the screen that you're met with. Granted, for me, I got a couple games on here already. For you, it's probably going to be blank. If you want to know how to go ahead and get games of your own, please go ahead to the bottom of the video here and check out in the description. And I will give you a reference to a database that you can go ahead and use to find what you want. Take care. Bye.